You should allow the vote of no confidence to take place on the floor of Parliament and test your numbers. Country and bagarap. Osam nol member will stop nol struggle or deal with more people blow or plus blow. So we expect that the full court will make the decision on Wednesday to allow the substantive matter to be heard on the 1st. So we can have Parliament recalled in August so that we can allow the vote of no confidence to proceed and we can appoint a new Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea to get the country back on track.
The question of vote of no confidence, VONC, goes to trial. The opposition wins the first round. A 5-man bench today ruled that the opposition's application for the Supreme Court interpretation on Section 165 of the Standing Orders has merits. The 5-man bench, Chief Justice Sir Gibbs Salika, Judge David Cannings, Judge Derek Hartshorn, Judge Kariko and Judge Oagile 𝗍𝗍 ruled in favor of the opposition, saying that the objection to the competency of the proceedings, made by the Notice of Objection to Competency filed on February 13, 2025, is refused. The court also ordered that the application will proceed to trial in accordance with the directions of the court. The Supreme Court has reserved its ruling on a case brought by the opposition questioning the rejection of its bid for a motion of no confidence on November 27, 2024, by the Private Business Committee.
The opposition, through its deputy leader James Nomana, challenged the Private Business Committee's (PBC) decision to reject a second notice of motion of no confidence on November 27, 2024, using the Parliamentary Standing Order 165, claiming the decision is unconstitutional. Opposition argues that its motion met the requirements under Section 145 of the Constitution. It was rejected, which prevented another vote of no confidence against the Prime Minister James 𝗍𝗶𝗹 from being placed on the notice paper and debated. Opposition said what transpired on November 27 was a serious breach of the Constitution, as the PBC cannot invoke Standing Order 165, and has asked the court as to proper interpretation of Standing Order 165 by the PBC in rejecting its motion of no confidence, as the fundamental right of all MPs was prevented in holding the executive government accountable. A full court last Friday comprising the Chief Justice Sir Gibbs Salika, Justices David Cannings, Derek Hartshorn, Oagile Dingake and Kariko reserved their ruling to a date to be advised after hearing submissions from both parties. The other party representing the state, and Attorney General 𝗍𝗲 𝗍𝗍 has argued that Standing Order 165 provides the Speaker the discretion to make decisions as a member of the PBC, and that power cannot be questioned. They also argued that opposition's application is based on the alleged breach of the standing orders by the Private Business Members Committee and Parliament, but such alleged breaches were non-justiciable under Section 134 of the Constitution.